Morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I was in here poking around this that path I cut up. I want to make a fence on. It's right over here. 200 feet, 150 feet, something like that. And then my end fence runs over here somewhere. Like, about the same. Right in the middle. Anywho, I was up here poking around and found this nice piece of red oak here. I already got her sawed there. And then I'm going to hook on to it. But first I want to hit you with a little know-how of the property here. First up, we'll go over here to the root cellar. Right over there, underneath that red oak stump, is where that root cellar was. Don't know how far it went back in, because I never seen it until it looked like this. So, yep, right across the creek. Spring fed. There's a couple springs along through here. Always water down through here. And unfortunately, that red oak fell on top of it and probably closed it off for good. Next, we have this. This is what we call the chimney area. There's a big log cabin right here. This is the rock pile from the chimney left. Kind of hard to tell with all the camouflage leaves and whatnot. I mean, look at that big old stone right there. So there's a big log cabin here. And then there was another underground cellar up here. Now, I always forget where this is because it's just so grown up in here. I always feel like it was to the left, so we'll go to it first. It's kind of like up a little hill, and there's like a big divot now. Not a big divot. I don't know. I feel like that's where it was, to the left. It could be up further, but I ain't getting in them briars and whatnot. What could be to the right? I can't remember. Like I said, I don't get into this area very often. Oh, look at that. Check it out, guys and gals. It's like somebody smoked a deer. The rack's still pretty good. What is the odds of that, seriously? I'm down here pulling a red oak out and I look over 10 yards. Anywho, it was in this area somewhere. I'm gonna take that with me. A little souvenir. Nice little 8-point. Been there for a little while. Probably the squirrels haven't ate him up. Yeah, they gnawed on his head. What are the odds of that? Seriously. Nice little man. Nice little. Been a beautiful deer, probably. But anywho, we'll have a souvenir about today, right there. It was up here somewhere. I feel like it's more in, like right here where these briars are. I feel like that's where it was at. Yeah, I think so. I'll go up there in a little bit. I think that's exactly where it was. Nope, I'm right on it. All these rocks is in this mound here. Right up there. See it? Another, I get to that pretty easy. Right. Ooh, look out. Pause for a minute and I'll come back. Alright, I'm in. Seeing them stones over there reminded me that there was a stone pathway up. We were right in there. Right freaking in there. There's your opening. Stone wall all the way around it. It's kind of hard to tell. It's mossy over here. And then this side I feel like had some. Or I don't know. But this is where the cellar was. Or refrigerator. Old time refrigerator per se. So I'm going to go ahead and leave. Hook onto that red oak. Find a good way out of here. And go on about the day. I'm going to get that sawed up behind the barn for some more excuse me, premium campfire wood. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure with me, because I know I had fun finding it. Antler. I'll see y'all at the barn. that'd be sweet. My new tire. We'll get this split up next time. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See y'all.